diba? Celebrity stylist. And we have to admit, let's all be honest, if you're a bona fide fashion person, the artista setting and the fashion setting, they don't go too well together. Our fashion philosophies are so different, and sometimes we look down on the whole artista scene. But this guy will make all the difference. You're gonna look at it as from a different way, and that's why artistas need people like him. So he bridges the artista fashion with a fashion. So he's none other than John Lozano. Hi, sister. Oh, he's not out yet, but hi, sister.
Hi everyone.
Okay, before we get to all their personal speeches, okay, our second style confidant, when they asked me, Bianca, since you're gonna do your own makeup, syempre budget-wise, diba, parang do na lang your makeup for the show, chuba. I'm like, it would work faster if we had a hairstylist. So they said, who kaya? Oh my God, I only know one person. And they're like, why him? I go, girl, he'll bust it out. He is the most baklang bakla, but very sensible person I know. And what's nice is he was actually a producer from MTV. He has been an apprentice of Raymond Isaac. So, I said, this show is not just for me, but it's for the future of everyone in the show. So even if I'm not working with Lifestyle anymore, they can even make use of him because he's truly talented. He's given much insight, like all our other style confidants, to make the show really successful. So he is from L'Oreal Professional. He is Borj Aloba. Oy, well, hindi yan scripted up from the heart yan, in fairness. O, diba? So, hi, sister. He is actually the good boy of the group. Whatever. Okay, our next style confidant is, he used to be a model, and it's not hard to see that. So, if we've got it's not yet sure if he wants to be a full-fledged vedette, to our very professional, very straight up, and very pretends to be goody-goody, but that we also have I'm a model, I look really hot, I'm a rock star, and if I really made my voice super low, you would not know I was a Becky. I mean, we gotta have it all, diba? But even the girls will be like, oh my God, I can't believe he's getting so sad. Okay, so he inspired a lot of celebrities. As a model, I've worked together with him for big brands as well. He's worked with people who helped us in the show, like Stans, Bulgari, and he's even made the local news, like TV Patrol. In fairness, good publicity is still good publicity, my friend. He's none other than Ram De Vera. Huwag na natin deny. O, di ba he's so guwapo? O, isang mababang boses dyan. Yeah.
What's up?
Okay. Now our last, oh my God. This is like, wait lang, I need oil film. My face is oiling out from like the excitement. Okay, pero siya ng bronzer na siya. Okay, now our final Becky. I have to admit, I will introduce this guy as the last because personally, me, as a fashion person, I like to wear nice clothes. I like to be girly, but I like affordable things. And to be honest, I can't even pronounce the word I thought it was Landon, swear. Lanvin. Or Louis Vuitton, but it's not, it's Louis Vuitton. You're gonna say it later. So he is the guy in the show that will really educate us on true fashion culture, what's happening in the world, the 101. He's the connoisseur of the group. He's the one who mentors us and brings us to the social level. Diba? If we're only in class B, siya yung ABCDEFG plus FASH. Yes! Okay, but I think what is most special about this person, he is very blessed, he has a lot of accomplishments, but every time we keep talking to him, we always say, Hoy, ano ba talagang ginagawa mo? At dami-dami mong racket and pera. And the beauty of it, he shares it with everyone. Hindi siya nagbibilang, very down to earth. He is given more than what he has been asked for. Oh my God! So entrepreneur slash style confidant slash everything else with a chopper. She is none other than Bernie Salvador.
I accept donations from
Okay, so I'm sure everybody wants to hear a little something from our On My BFF, so why don't we start